Samantala, muling ibinalik ng British Columbia ang pamimigay ng training grants para sa mga trabahong nakikitang in demand sa probinsya. Maaari pong gamitin ito para sa pasukan ngayong fall. Naritong report.
It's very good for people to take advantage of it now. I think time is of the essence because grants they don't last very long.
Bukas na ang aplikasyon para sa Stronger BC Future Skills Grant, kung saan ang tuition sa higit 300 programa mula sa mga kilalang universidad at post-secondary institutions. Sagot na ng BC.
It's very significant amount. It's 3,500. It's one-time lifetime grant, and with the job market being very challenging at the moment, it's very good to upskill and reskill and learn, new skills to get you to the next stage of your career.
Bukas ang grant sa residente ng BC, 19 na taong gulang pataas, Canadian citizens, permanent residents at protected persons na nakapagtapos ng grade 12 o katumbas nito. Ang ilan pang eligibility requirements nakasaad sa website ng WorkBC. Iba't ibang programa na short-term skills training ang pwedeng pagpilian, mga skill at trabaho na kailangan ng probinsya base sa labor market outlook nito.
Currently, I'm seeing a trend of people taking courses on healthcare, construction, cyber courses, internet courses. There's been an uptick, and even firefighting. So those are the top four industries that are very attractive to British Columbians. When you take micro credentials or new certifications, it makes you more attractive to the employers because they're going to see an employee who is investing in themselves, and this is really to equip British Columbians for the current and future jobs. So the landscape po the landscape of the job market is always changing, and in order to be competitive, you have to take all of these courses.
Ilan lamang sa mga programa na maaaring kunin: Advanced Accounting, Management and Leadership, Anti-Racism at Food Safety Management Micro-Certificates, Advanced Foot Care for Nurses, Public Relations Certificate at marami pang iba. Higit 7,000 ang nag-access sa Stronger BC Future Skills Grant nang ilunsad ito Fall 2023. Dagdag pa ni Libonaw, doable daw ito sa mga profesional dahil marami sa mga kurso online, iba ay hybrid, sa gabi ibinibigay o di kaya'y tuwing weekends. Basahin lang daw ang fine print ng course requirements at humanap ng swak sa inyong schedule.
Don't just take any course. You have to follow your passion and really do some self-reflection. It has to be a program that really speaks very close to your heart and also, of course, your mind. Because I think when you are very purposeful with your program, you will be committed to complete it.
Tumatanggap na ng aplikasyon sa grant ngayon. Magsisimula ang mga klase sa Setyembre.